Hello guys, I am Samuel Chukwuebuka Amadi, popularly known as Samachus. For those of us who missed the Microsoft Web Banner class, here is the video on how you can log into Microsoft Entrepreneurial dashboard. So, I am sharing this video for you to know how you can log in, how you can sign up for the courses. You actually have entrepreneurial course that you take, which has about 14 topics for you to explore. So once you log in, you start taking those courses.
Hi Priska, if you're speaking, we really can't hear you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay, we can hear you now. Yeah.
Oh, good afternoon, everyone. You can go on. You can carry on with the program. So, welcome everyone to this webinar. I hope we'll learn a couple things concerning the Microsoft application and how we can all onboard on their platform. So, thank you, Mr. Patrick, for this opportunity. Let's get on it.
All right. So I'll just go ahead and start sharing my screen without further ado. I wouldn't want to take too much of our time here. Okay, yes, I guess those on Facebook should be able to see it now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is click on sign in, right? Once you go to that site, if you've gone to that site, please everyone follow me. Once you go to the site, you're going to see this first page here, right? So kpower.azure.net. Everyone, please, you can just give some time to everyone so that you can copy that. So I'm going to explain the link to you. If you do not understand the link, just calm down on that. Just click the link and go to this page. I just hope you all can see my screen. If you can see my screen, please just acknowledge that you can, please.
It just came up now. We can see your screen.
All right. So the first thing we're going to be doing is click on Get Started right on my screen. Please go to kpower.azurefd.net. Right. I've already pasted that link on the group chat, so you can just check the chat here on the Teams live, and go to that. Please click on that link so that you have access to this particular page. So I'll just be going ahead with it. I'm going to click on Get Started. So Get Started here will take you to this particular page. So this page is where you input your phone number. So you can start from 080 or 090, or you can do 81, right? So my number is 8135. All right, so I've already asked for a verification from Microsoft. So the idea is Microsoft is going to send me a verification code. So that verification code is 774360. So I just entered the verification code that Microsoft will send to me, and then it takes you to the learning platform itself. I'll just give a couple of seconds to everyone, so maybe you can catch up on it. So if you can see my screen, you can see that it's coming up from my registration. I just hope that you can still see my screen, everyone, so that no one is left behind. Alright, so you can see here that after I log in, let me just go to the chats if I'm leaving anyone behind, because it's pretty easy, right, to log in onto the platform. So click kpower.azure.net, follow the steps there. So it's going to take you to put in your mobile phone number. So put in your mobile phone number. Once you're done with that, Microsoft is going to send you a code. Yeah.
Yeah. Do I need to post that link to Facebook so they can catch up?
Yeah. So you can post the link on Facebook. Yeah, but I already tried doing that and also tried giving them some time. But the people on Facebook can also see my screen, just so that they can see the link and all that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but please, you can go ahead to put it on Facebook. Yeah. All right. So we are very slow about this because we are trying to make sure everyone is carried along. We do not want to leave anyone behind, right? It's a pretty easy registration process. It's not hard to do, but we just need to walk you through the process so you're not left behind in anything, or if you have questions, you can ask them now, right? So please follow my steps as I'm going forward. So the next thing to do is, once you register with your phone number, you're going to need to create your profile. So you're not going to see that here because I've already created my profile, right? So once you create your profile, in the advent of creating your profile, rather, you're going to see an option to choose skillupIMO, right? So skillupIMO. Please, if you're following me, if you're putting your phone number and the code that Microsoft sent to you, please, the next step is to fill out your profile, right? So you're going to see an option where you're filling out your profile for skillupIMO. Please select skillupIMO on that particular page. All right, so if you're done with that, once you've created your profile, it will let you know that you've successfully created the profile, and you can now click on the learning pathway called skillupIMO. This is what you're going to see on your dashboard, right? Once you've selected that, this is what you're going to see on your dashboard. You should be able to see skillupIMO as a learning pathway on your dashboard. Please, if you're following, kindly just acknowledge that you're going through the steps with us so that we know we're not leaving anyone behind. Please make sure that your phone is not on Do Not Disturb, or your notifications aren't off if you haven't seen your code yet. I'm going to be pasting the link again here, just so you guys can access that link. Also, the people on Facebook, you can go to the chats and also access the link from there. All right. So I know some of you have acknowledged that you've seen your codes from Microsoft. I'll take it slow again because I know I've seen some comments of saying my network is slow, is giving me issues and all that. So I'll wait for everyone to catch up, maybe the next 2 minutes, because again, we do not want to leave anybody behind, right? So if you're experiencing network glitches or poor connection, please just be patient, or maybe you can try again later. But the idea is, for now, if you can still access the portal, please do so, so that you actually know the process. All right, so I guess some of you have been able to get onto the MCT portal already. So if you've been able to get onto the MCT portal and you've done your registration, you should see your dashboard like this, right? So you should see your progress, the number of certificates you've received, and then also programs, right, that are running currently under the Microsoft Community Training Portal, right? So the idea is, once you register under skillupIMO, you should be able to see skillupIMO just right there on your page. So if I click skillupIMO, it takes me to all the courses, right, that are aligned with skillupIMO, right? And the idea for this is we are trying to boost entrepreneurial skills, right? We're trying to help you with basically curriculums, right, and topics that are going to help you boost your businesses. So if you know, in the digital age today, there's a lot of movement around digital marketing, around graphics design, around pushing your business on the internet, right? Also doing sponsored ads and paid ads, right? So these are all skills that would also be taught, right, under these entrepreneurial skills, right? How to even create your business from scratch, right? And how to manage your businesses too. So also how to develop new models of your businesses, how to scale those models of your businesses. So these are all under the curriculum for entrepreneurial skills. The idea is the Imo State government has given you the opportunity, right, to learn these courses, right? And also I believe the commission itself is going to give an open leeway for more of these programs to be coming up, right? So please use this opportunity, right, to learn more and to boost yourselves and also your businesses, right? If you have a business, or if you don't have a business and you're trying to grow a business. So these are all skills that would help you, and these are all skills that would also help you in the workspace, right? So again, the Microsoft Community Training Portal does not just give you access to only these courses, right? You're going to have access to all the courses on the Microsoft Community Training Portal, but these are your primary courses. These are the courses that you're supposed to focus on. So I'm just going to be going ahead to just show you what a course should look like, or what a course looks like in the end. So this is what a course looks like. Once you click the first tab, you're going to see a list of topics, right? So these topics, it's themselves, you cannot skip one topic and go to the next. You have to learn each topic line by line, right? You have to follow the steps of each topic, because this guide has already been set and has already been given by Microsoft, right? So the idea is once you're done with a particular course, so I'll just go to view lesson. So to view a particular course, you click view lesson, and it will take you to where you can learn these things, right? And once I've been able to click that and also learn, you can now see that here it's been ticked good, right? So the platform itself has realized that I've actually gone through that course and I've learned it, right? So that's why it's ticked it good. So for this particular course, I'm done. I've learned how to build my business, right? So the next thing is I'll be going on to the next course. Again, you can just do here next and next and next. So you click on view lesson, it will take you to where you can view the lesson.
Hello and welcome to Build Your Business. This is an exciting course.
So you can see here that Microsoft has actually provided a lot of courses, right? They provided a lot of courses for everyone to come and study. So the idea is these courses are going to help you boost your businesses, and these are tools that are available to people on paid sites. So if you go to Udemy, if you go to Coursera, you would have to pay for some of these courses, right? But the idea is we're giving this to you for free, right? You're not even paying a dime for anything. So this, you have access to an array of courses and tools that you can use to learn. So once you're done with your learning here, that's you've gone through each and every tab. So I'll just go back on Facebook. Once you're done with your learning, you've gone through each and every tab. Scroll down to the end, you're going to see an assessment, right? An assessment. So this assessment, you can only take it once you're done with your training itself. So training shouldn't take longer than 2 weeks, even if it's just an hour each day you're studying, right? It shouldn't take more than 2 weeks. In fact, 2 weeks is even a lot. So I'm just saying, even if it's just an hour you're studying. So once you're done with it, you can take your assessment, right? And the good thing about it is once you take your assessment, you're going to be certified with a Microsoft certificate. So the idea is this certificate, you can take it to anywhere in the world, anywhere at all in the world, whether it's in an international corporation or maybe our local companies, right? You can take this to anywhere to say I've been certified with these digital skills. But not just having the certificate, you also need to know how to practice, right? You also need to put the things you're doing into practice, right? So I'm sure a lot of you will finish with this entrepreneurial skills course, right, and move on to the next course, or move on to any other course that has your interest. So we have a lot of courses that are contemporary. So when I say contemporary, I'm talking about courses for the future. So Microsoft is also introducing generative AI courses, so artificial intelligence courses, and also sustainability courses and cybersecurity courses. So these are all courses you're going to be able to take on the Microsoft Community Training Platform once you're done with your entrepreneurial skills on the skillupIMO project. Right, so the idea is we're also going to be providing, the platform is also providing an avenue for you to learn other courses related to career essential courses, and also courses related to productivity tools. That's how to learning how to use things like Microsoft Excel, things like Microsoft PowerPoint, and the likes. Right. Remember, this certificate is an internationally recognized certificate with a Microsoft stamp. Right, so you're definitely going to get recognition anywhere you go with it. So please, I hope a lot of you have been following me. I'll just go back to the courses now, just so that you see what I'm talking about. So again, I can log out and log back in if you guys have issues, just to show you how it's done. So let me sign out. All right. So I'll click on get started. Again, I'll put in my phone number and click next. You should receive a 6-digit code from Microsoft. Then to take you to your dashboard. Please, I hope we've all been following what I've been doing. It's quite easy really to actually log on to the platform, and please remember that this certificate is internationally recognized. Microsoft is actually signed an MOU with the federal government of Nigeria to train a lot of our citizens on digital skills here in Nigeria. So please use this opportunity to learn free skills that are going to help your CV, right? It's going to also help boost your CV and build up your CV, right? So please, and please, the platform itself has an array of courses that you can learn from. It has a lot of courses you can learn from. Like you don't even have to go pay anybody or any other person to say I'm learning this course, I'm learning this other course, right? So you can go there, finish up your assessments on the entrepreneurship, or finish up your studies on the entrepreneurship, and then you can now go ahead to learn other courses on the platform. We have more than, I think, 20 other courses on the platform that you can learn from. So please use this opportunity to at least take advantage rather of this opportunity you've been given, so that you don't lose out. Alright, so I'll be on the chat box now looking for questions. Please, if you have questions, please you can drop them in the chat box, or you can raise your hand if you want to speak, and then I would unmute you. Wow, I can see a lot of hands up. So Winifred, I think I'm going to start with you. I'll just allow you to speak. So Winifred, you can unmute your mic. Go ahead and speak. Those of you on Facebook, I hope you've been following me. It's a pretty easy process, really. remember, you just go to this kpower.azurefd.net, and also once you click get started, you'll be able to input your phone number, wait for Microsoft to send in an OTP code, right? So once you log in, you'll be able to select skillupIMO on your profile. Again, I'm demonstrating this from my laptop, or you can use your mobile phone or your tablet to do this. Onyedikachi, I'll allow your mic. Gideon, you can unmute yourself and speak. Someone said his dashboard is showing 15 courses, right? So if you make sure that your dashboard, you can see skillupIMO on your dashboard. Please make sure you can see skillupIMO on your dashboard. Please remember that only entrepreneurship is currently available under the IMO State skillupIMO project, right? When you're done with it, you can now go on to take other courses, even related to generative artificial intelligence. When you're Dikachi, if you're talking, your mic is mute. All right, I think I should be able to hear you now. Do you have a question? So there is no instructor. I think maybe that's another thing I need to make clear. I'm seeing questions here on who is the instructor for this program. So this is a self-paced learning program. You will learn it on your own, right? So all the content and course curriculum is already on this platform. So that's what this platform is. You're learning this on your own, right? So there's no teacher in class telling you that you need to come to class today to learn this or learn that, right? You can learn it on your own at your own free time. So I know some of you have work to do, you have school, you have businesses you're running, right? So if you have maybe an hour in a day or maybe 30 minutes in a day, you can use it to quickly maybe study for maybe like an hour, right, or 30 minutes. So it's not it's not going to be rocket science, really.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Winifred. Good afternoon, and thank you for the training. So what my question is, I'm in the site now. I can see my courses and I'm in my dashboard. Okay. I see my courses and course library. So what you're saying is that I should take the entrepreneurial skills only for now.
Yes.
Right?
So you should see a learning pathway, skillupIMO.
Yes.
So now once you click that, it should take you to all the courses under the skillupIMO project.
Okay.
Yes, so you can see all those courses there now. They are all entrepreneurship courses or entrepreneurial skills courses, right?
I can't. Okay, yes.
So once you're done with all those learnings and all those courses, you can now take an assessment, right? And then in that assessment, you will be able to get your Microsoft accredited certificate.
Okay, so you are saying I would have to do the 14 courses.
So they are not courses; those are topics. Those are topics.
Okay, topics.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, 14 topics before taking the assessment.
Yes.
Okay, I get it now. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. No problem. Please, if you have questions, please you can ask me. You can raise your hand or you can drop it in the chat box, and then I'll respond to you. We have just 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes for questions. Please, those of you asking if you can see cybersecurity yet, please focus on the entrepreneurship for now. We'll get to cybersecurity once you're done with entrepreneurship. So please just focus on the entrepreneurship course that you can see under the skillupIMO learning pathway, and then we now move ahead from there. Those on Facebook, I hope you've not been left behind. I hope you've not been left behind, those on Facebook. I hope we're all okay, at least we understand what the platform is and how it works. And again, please, I would like to reiterate the fact that these certificates you're taking are Microsoft accredited certificates, so you can actually learn and get your certificates, and then also take the certificates to organizations that you're actually certified in this. But it's not just about being certified, it's about going through the process, right, and ensuring that that process is steady, and ensuring that you're also practicing on that particular field, or whatever you're trying to study, whatever you're focusing on. So I guess we don't have any other major questions. Vincent, you would like to ask a question? So the assessment, the duration of learning, it depends on you. I am 100% sure some of you can finish this in 3-4 days, right? So it depends on you. It's all left to you.
Thank you very much. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Samachux.